Hello dear friends, another video. Today video we're going to show you about Python introduction. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Theodore Van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, server side, software development, mathematics, systems, scripting. What can Python do? Python can be used on several servers to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production, ready for software development. Why Python? Python work on different platforms, Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Good to know. Good to know the most recent major version of Python is Python 3, which we shall be using in this tutorial. However, Python 2, although not being updated with anything other than security updates, is still quite popular. In this tutorial, Python will be written in text editor. It is possible to write. Python is an integrated development environment such as Thony, PyCharm, NetBeans, or Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing large collection of Python files. Python syntax compared to other programming languages, Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming languages which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation using whitespace or defined scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. Example: print hello world, try it yourself. Python syntaxes. Python syntaxes execute Python syntaxes. As we learned in previous page, Python syntax can be executed by writing directly in the command line. Print hello world, show hello world, or by creating a Python on the server using the .py file extension and running it in the command line. Python indentation refers to the space at the beginning of a code line, where in other programming languages the indentation in code is for readability. Only the indentation in Python is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. Example: if 5 greater than 2, print 5 is greater than 2. Try it yourself. Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation. Example syntax error: if 5 greater than 2, print 5 is greater than 2. Try it yourself. So guys, today video we're going to show you about Python introduction and Python syntax. Today video is end guys. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe our channel and also press bell icon for updates of every new video. Okay guys, goodbye.